we again traveled to Plunketville to meet the hillbillies once more. I asked them about the possibility of a younger brother.
Mama said Ned got ate by a gator, and then she cried. Yeah, she also said that Ned had she put a tattoo on his arm, and then he had a lump on his belly.
Mama told me that Ned was trying to light her cigarette, and he caught himself on fire, had to run away, and she couldn't run after him because her legs are gonna break because she's so fat. I miss Mama.
Buddy. That's okay, buddy.
Do you know someone is coming to hunt your monkeys? Did you know a hunter was coming to Plunketville?
That some bitch! I'll kill that bastard to coming in here trying to kill my brethren. I'll kill that bitch. I'll kill that son of a bitch too. Coming in my neck of the woods talking his smooth talking all his newfangled gadgets. Yeah, I'll rip off his head. I'll sit down the neck. As a matter of fact, I'll fuck him. I'm gonna go clean my gun right now. Come on, Delbert. Come on, Delbert. Come on, Delbert. Damn it. Come on, Delbert. Let's go get our monkey.
The stage is set. The battle for the Jorgen Hansen monkey is about to begin. The next day, we find Lord Charles Seth Harold Mackleby entering the Plunketville woods. Later on that day, we find the hillbillies looking for battle. Curiosity feeds bravery as we decide to follow the Plunkets on their mission.
I can smell that hunter's coochie already. Only here, trying to kill my monkeys. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna gut them. No, fuck 'em. Delbert! Never mind.
Oh, shit, I ain't do nothing. I just taking my packet for lice, and I got urination, and I'm done with it. Oh shit! Oh hell be a bobbin! Oh hell be a bobbin! I bet you Alfred got that motherfucker! I'm gonna go get it! Man, Alfred!
Hey, Delbred! I shot the bastard. He's over there. Ow! Alfred! He shot me!
God damn it!
He's over there. Let's go get him.
Nick, come on!
Yeah.
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 There he is!
There he is.
Let me hand you, motherfucker!
Yeah. All right, you get his shoes. This is not shirt. I want to get his shirt. God damn, look at this. What this boy got on his belly? Whoa, what the hell is that?
Hey.
What is?
That's a monkey hand!
Look at this tattoo. This tattoo says Ned. Oh no, I done killed our long lost brother Ned. Mama was wrong all along.
That's bullshit! That's tried to kill you, and he tried to kill all monkeys. I'm gonna cut that head off as a souvenir.
Yeah.
God damn it.
Yeah. Fuck you. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Get up.
This bizarre ritual went well on into the night, yet our cameras were not allowed to witness this attraction. Only the screams of pleasure could be heard of man and monkey alike that night. This is when we chose to break from this group. Back at the Stockholm Institute, we again visit Jörgen and Johansson. In curiosity, we ask what the future holds for them.
Yeah, well, what's next? Well, we got funds for doing shark research, but we don't want to do shark research. No, we want to crossbreed shark and monkey.
Yeah, and maybe the monkey shark will be a terrorist in the sea.
Yeah, and then maybe we can crossbreed shark, monkey, and bird.
Yeah, and then we could do shark and monkey and bird and bunny rabbit.
And bunny rabbits. And then maybe we could do
It
shark,
is certainly
monkey,
clear
bird, bunny rabbit.
that the perversions of science have no boundaries. As we look to the 21st century, only the imaginations of scientists hold the possibilities of what is in store for us as residents of this earth. But no science could ever dismount the love of family and the love of nature, and they will never, ever be compromised.
Monkey.
I wanna be your dominating love slave. Wanna be the one who takes the pain. You can spank me when I do not behave. Smack me in the forehead with a chain. 'Cause I love feeling dirty. And I love feeling cheap. And I love it when you hurt me so dry.